Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a unique art image with Leonardo AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Leonardo AI homepage, and you can click on image, or you can just scroll down and choose or check out the images on the homepage. This will give you an idea of what you should do, or just give you a broader view of the images created or that can be created with Leonardo. So once you've gone through and you see you've not seen something similar to what you want, you can now go to the image section, where you can, this is the flow state, the image creation section, where you can input your own prompt and create the image of your choice. Now you can choose the type of image you want to create. Since you want to create an art image, I would suggest you click on the model or preset section and then scroll and choose concept art. So once you've clicked on it, you can choose in the style or character section, you can choose the kind of art you want to create. Yes, character sheets, paintly, cinematic concept, environment, game concept. So these are characters or styles you want to emulate if you are creating this art for a specific purpose, maybe for a game concept or the environment. Now you can choose any one. Let me just choose environment, and you can go ahead to choose, set your preferences in the other tabs, and then you can now create your image. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.